Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Just here to give y'all a little quick preview of what we're about to put in the charger. You know, we already got an amp. We already got an amp bag up, you know, already. So, you know, it's called the Prime R500. Now, this amp is rated for 4 ohms and 2 ohms. So that means, as you can see, the double fuse right here. You know, you got the double fuse right there. We're gonna give it a little air too, because it's like a real, it's got that hardcore steel on it, so it's a possibility it could get hot. You know, you see the adjustments on this. And let's go old school, because the thing is like with the amp that we have from you know, from the Jensen, it had the Bluetooth control, but the only thing you had control for was the damn game. So I will be returning that Jensen amp, because it just don't, you know, it don't fit the need for what we looking for. You know, just like my brother Basin Shane said, you know, when you put it on 2 ohms for that Jensen amp, you get that mild bass. I mean, the bass in here not that bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it was just me just being a regular consumer and just coming through from a system that don't have nothing but factory, then that's great. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.